Bye, good night. The fuck is that, Mav? Fucking toe. This girl is freaky, bruh. Super freaky girl. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, good night, for real. Bye. Damn it. Bitch, I thought you were sleeping, bruh.
There's another one down.
Control lost.
My battle has only just begun.
Kinda.
Control seized. You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
This is my last game. Thing.
I put you on
Gigante crushes all.
Welcome back. Are you still level 8?
The tides always turn in my favor.
Glow up. 30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
I need to pee, bruh. Need to pee so bad.
Famous Luna Snow. I remember you from a long
Oh yeah, my camera died.
time. I'm gonna,
So who do you like playing so far?
and then I'm going to.
Ars? Arc? I'll play Arc.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Bro, I'm doing so bad.
Heroes get the job done.
4k damage.
Times like these, we can't
Not
afford
it.
hesitation.
Not it. I'm only keeping it for the team up. Venom. You're PC, right? Arc?
Attack them! From the coldest depths!
Mission area is yours. Scratch now.
Maximum pulse! Next time, you may not be so lucky. You never had a chance.
Still got it after all these
Holy
years.
shit.
Mission area is yours.
I summon the seas! My strength is returning.
Oh my gosh, you should join my faction.
I like the cold.
I don't know if you can yet, because you're level 8.
Denizens of the deep. I am through.
Go perfect. Hex. Go behind you. I am ready to put on
Fuck,
a show.
so low.
Another one bites the dust.
A nice hit the ground belly.
26 health, bruh. Yes, I want to. I need 3 more members. I need 3 more. Nobody wants to join.
I'm hurt.
There's like 10 hours left. Oh my god. I'm not sure, but my faction name is Zero.
Cannot wash your hands of Namor.
It's only baddies, but with a 0.
Their team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
Got it. Don't panic, guys.
Assemble!
How refreshing! Denizens of the deep, feel the ocean's chill.
They've almost got it!
We must claim this land.
Deep freeze.
Attack them!
It's the grand finale!
Maximum pulse!
I'm dead. God fucking damn.
I am ready to put on a show!
I think I need to switch.
Maximum pulse! That's what happens when you pick a fight.
We must claim this land.
Bro, Shark has ult.
We must claim this land.
Bro, don't get off it.
Perfect! Hex! Yeah!
Attack them! Feel the ocean's chill.
A nice deep freeze. Mind the exploding platform.
I fucking got off. My bad. No, only baddies. With the 0.
My kingdom shall rise as swiftly as the seas.
We got it.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready. Be your best self.
Ah, the world-famous Luna Snow. I remember you from a long time.
You got it, Mav.
Oh my
Star,
God,
you got
you're
it, you got
right.
it.
I'm gonna get old someday, and then I'm going to. Oh man, I need to chill out. The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No, you're
All you
fine.
need to
Oh,
do
we
is
got
capture the
it for
mission
real.
area. Got it?
When this is all said and done, the Red Room will resume business as usual.
Denizens of the deep,
We can totally take this.
and I see ally awaken.
That one hurts.
Found it. Yay.
That is much better.